Have you ever pondered the role of pentesting tools in fortifying cybersecurity? Well, these tools are the unsung heroes of the cybersecurity world. They work behind the scenes, tirelessly scanning systems for vulnerabilities. Think of them as the guardians on the wall, constantly on the lookout for potential threats that could compromise the integrity of our digital fortresses. Pentesting tools are instrumental in identifying weak spots in a system's defense. They probe systems, networks, and web applications, seeking out vulnerabilities that could be exploited by cyber criminals. By identifying these weaknesses, we can take proactive measures to fortify our defenses, thereby making our systems more robust and secure. There's a whole galaxy of pentesting tools out there, each with its unique capabilities. Some of the popular ones include Nmap, Wireshark, and Metasploit, but remember, it's not about having the most tools, it's about knowing how to use them effectively. Now that we understand their significance, let's delve into how to use some popular pentesting tools. First on our list is Nmap, a versatile tool for network discovery and security auditing. Known for its efficiency and flexibility, Nmap is the go-to for many cybersecurity professionals for good reason. Nmap, or Network Mapper, excels in its ability to scan large networks, but it's just as effective when used on single hosts. It's a tool that allows you to discover hosts and services on a computer network, creating a map of the system. This is achieved through a series of features that each play a vital role in network scanning and security auditing. The first of these is host discovery. This feature identifies active hosts on the network, which are computers or servers that respond to requests. Knowing what's out there is the first step in any security auditing process. Next, we have port scanning and version detection. Port scanning identifies open doors to a host, while version detection determines what software is running on a system and in what capacity. These features can help identify potential points of vulnerability. Then there's operating system detection. This feature can often determine the operating system of a host, providing further information about potential weaknesses. Nmap typically uses a command line interface, which might seem intimidating at first, but it's quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. The results Nmap yields are comprehensive, providing a detailed overview of the network's security. Mastering Nmap can give you crucial insights into any network's potential vulnerabilities. Next up is Wireshark, a widely used network protocol analyzer. This powerful tool allows you to delve into the world of packets, those tiny bits of data that form the lifeblood of your network. With Wireshark, you can capture and interactively browse the traffic running on a computer network. When you start a Wireshark capture, it begins to record every packet that crosses your network, creating a sort of digital snapshot. This is called packet capture. It's like taking a high-speed photograph of a hummingbird in flight. You can stop the action and examine every detail, but not every packet is worth your time. And that's where filters come into play. Just as a coffee filter lets the good stuff through and keeps out the grounds, Wireshark filters allow you to narrow down your view to only the packets that matter to you. Once you've isolated the packets you're interested in, you can start analyzing data streams. This is where you can truly see the conversation between machines. It's like having a translator for computer language, turning binary data into something you can understand and use. But there's more to Wireshark than just understanding your network traffic. It's a vital tool for detecting anomalies and security threats. Unusual traffic patterns can be a sign of an intrusion or a misconfigured device. With Wireshark, you can keep a keen eye on your network traffic, sniffing out potential threats. Lastly, we have Metasploit, a powerful tool for conducting security exploits. This powerhouse of a tool is a must-have in the arsenal of every cybersecurity enthusiast. It's not just a tool, it's an entire framework that enables users to identify, exploit, and validate system vulnerabilities. Let's dive into how you can use Metasploit for penetration testing and exploit development. The process begins with identifying a target. This could be a specific system or network that you want to assess. Unlike a conventional attack, the goal here is not to cause harm, but to identify potential weaknesses that could be exploited by malicious entities. Once you've identified a target, the next step is choosing an exploit. Metasploit boasts a vast database of publicly known exploits, making it easy to find one that matches your target's potential vulnerabilities. Whether you're dealing with a weak password, an outdated software version, or a misconfigured firewall, there's likely an exploit ready to be used. After selecting an exploit, you'll need to configure the payload. This is the code that will run on the target system once the exploit is successful. It could be something as simple as a command to display a message or as complex as a script to gain control over the system. The final step is executing the attack. This is where you put your plan into action, deploying the exploit and payload to the target system. It's important to note that this should only be done in a controlled environment or with explicit permission from the system owner. Unauthorized penetration testing is not only unethical but also illegal. Metasploit is more than just a means to an end. It's a tool for understanding and improving system security. By identifying vulnerabilities and testing exploits, you can gain a deeper understanding of potential security flaws and how they can be rectified. With Metasploit, you can validate your system's vulnerabilities and consequently strengthen its defenses. It's a tool designed not to break systems, but to build stronger ones. Remember, the goal here is to patch the holes before someone else finds them. Now that we've explored some popular pen testing tools, let's summarize their key use cases. First up is Nmap, the network mapper, a versatile tool that allows you to discover devices on a network, determine open ports, and even identify the operating system of a targeted machine. It's essentially your reconnaissance tool in the world of cybersecurity. Next is Wireshark, the network traffic analyzer. It's like a microscope for network packets, allowing you to scrutinize the details of traffic in real time or from recorded data. With Wireshark, you can spot anomalies, diagnose network issues, and investigate security incidents. Finally, we've got Metasploit, the exploit framework. It's your go-to tool for simulating real-world attacks on your network, testing your defenses, and identifying potential vulnerabilities. All of these tools, when used properly and ethically, can provide invaluable insights into your network security posture. Remember, understanding and effectively using these pen testing tools can significantly bolster your cybersecurity efforts.